What's up guys, Ryan here with another tool review on the Dent REAPER CHAMELEONs. Let's check it out. So what I'm bringing to you is a tool review that is overdue. I've had this tool for a little while and I just have not truly had the time to do the review, but it is an amazing tool and it fills a void that I had in my arsenal. And it is the Dent REAPER CHAMELEONs. Now let me get into the story about the CHAMELEON. I asked Mr. John Vidine a couple questions on how he came up with this idea and why he brought it to market. And the original reason he brought it to market was he had a dent gear Excalibur tool. And he would use it all the time, but he felt like it didn't have just enough drive. And that was one of the reasons I got this tool. The reason I got it was I had a dent gear Excalibur and loved it. It was an absolute amazing tool, but it ended up breaking and dent gear is no longer in business. So I did purchase the Ultra Dent Tools shave kit and it just didn't have the drive. It just didn't have enough power behind it. So John came up with the CHAMELEON, and this was the first size, which is 36 inches that he came out with. And a lot of guys were asking, I was one of those guys that asked, hey, can we come out with a 24-inch version? And he's like, yeah, sure. And then I remember another guy reaching out saying, hey, can we do a 48-inch version? So he's got a 24, a 36, and a 48 version of these, and they're awesome. I don't have the 48s, but I do have the 36 and the 24. Now, one thing he did do to this tool is he offered two options. He offered a sharp and a rounded edge, which is a great idea because some people like the sharp tool, some people like the blunt tool. I use both. Now, I do only have the rounded edge 24-inch, and I use it all the time. It is my go-to shave tool, has a ton of drive, and there's a little more story to this. When I first looked at the tool, I was like, okay, 2-color handle, I get it. Well, there's a reason. And I asked Mr. Vidine and I said, hey, what's the deal? And he says, that black end is for when your tool is in the car and you have to step away and the tool usually falls down and then you have to pull it back out to figure out which way's up. Well, the black end is always up. So when the tool's in there, you know, okay, I have to spin it around and we're back where we need to be. So it's a great idea, John. You did an awesome thought process in that and trying to solve some of the problems that we all deal with. Now, John Vidine, the Dent REAPER, has teamed up with A1 to do all of his tools, and their execution on this tool is amazing. Stainless steel, high polished. It reminds me a lot of a Stanliner tool. The quality of the polish, the stainless steel. And this thing has so much drive in it. It's an awesome tool. And I use this one all the time. I mean, you can kind of see where the polish is not as polished as it was. But this thing is awesome for tops of doors, bedsides. I use this tool all the time for bedsides. Certainly on Chevrolets. Get in that upper hole for the taillight. Kind of squeeze in there and you still have a ton of drive. So excellent job on the execution of these, John. I'm so glad you brought them to market. And I was super sad when I broke my Excalibur because it was definitely a tool that I used all the time. So great job. Like I said, guys, this is just a tool that you need in your arsenal. No BS. It is my opinion, but from being in the paintless dent repair industry as long as I have, this tool is so useful. It's got multiple uses. I've used it on a hail car. Like I said, I use it on bedsides all the time. But I think it's just such a useful tool. One of the other reasons he made this one, which is the sharper end, was Ford F-150 doors. And this will go all the way down the door and get down on that body line. And there's so much of a kick here, you have enough drive to push that body line. And it's shaved enough. And that's another option that he did on this was he shaved almost all the way back to the handle. And it is shaved all the way through. And I use it in the door openings, right in the door. Get in there, it's got a ton of drive. It's an awesome tool. A1 Tools and John Vidine from the Dent Reaper knocked it out of the park. So if you guys are interested in these tools, go to dentreaper.com and show John the love. It's a great tool. Appreciate you bringing it to market, John. Remember, guys, keep it real, and I'll see you on the next one. See you guys.